I'm gonna get on y'all whole bedroom. Yeah, I said it. Motherfucking bedroom. Y'all know them hoes. The one that got 4 mattresses stacked up and ain't got no fucking box spring. Yeah. Piss ass mattress. Yeah, I'm talking about it. Y'all know I ain't lying. Bitch ain't got no goddamn sheets on the bed. Just a big ass, dirty, mustache comforter. Pillows ain't got no pillowcases on them. And then where the headboard supposed to be at, ain't nothing but a goddamn oil spot across the goddamn wall for her goddamn, her weave and shit been laying against the damn white wall. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Round the doorknob got that damn caked up ass popsicle juice from her kids and shit. Just dirty as hell. Round the doorknob. Round the light switch and everything, just dark as fuck. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Nasty motherfucker. And there's a lot of y'all like that. So ain't no sense, you know what I'm saying? Act like it ain't y'all. Y'all niggas know y'all done been to a bitch house like that. Motherfucker ain't got no closet though. Door just wide the fuck open. Clothes all in the damn closet. You don't know if it clean or dirty. Clothes behind the damn door. You can't even get in the room right. Baby, excuse the mess. Oh, baby, fuck that shit here. We all black. We know how it is. No, I don't know nothing about that shit. I done seen it, you nasty motherfucker. Nasty ass. Then let's say you want something to eat, or you I ain't gonna say you want something to eat, cause most times niggas ain't gonna eat everybody's food. They just say you want something to drink. Then this bitch say, you go in the kitchen to get you a cup. You go in the kitchen, look in the cabinet, you don't see shit in the goddamn cabinet. All her goddamn cups in the motherfucking sink, and she ain't got the 5. And all of them dirty. And they been in the sink, got mold and shit on them. Ain't washed dishes in goddamn 4 weeks. Nasty motherfucker. Need to twat up, bitch. Y'all know I ain't lying. Bitch ain't got no. That bitch got 2 spoons and a plastic fork and 1 butter knife. Ain't got no utensil or nothing. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Motherfucker refrigerator ain't got nothing in it but empty gallon of water, a half a jar of mayonnaise, and a couple dead roaches. That's all she got in her goddamn refrigerator. But she at the club all the time with her hair did. Talking about she paid $70 and $80 for some hair. Bitch, you need to twat up. The alcohol said that shit. Y'all motherfucking hoes know. You can't sneak and get no dick if you ain't got no goddamn car. That's number 1. You ain't sneaking by a long shot. You got to hitchhike to go get you some dick. Bitch, you need to motherfucking twat up. A lot of y'all hoes need to get y'all a motherfucking car and quit letting these motherfuckers take your ass everywhere. That's how your business get out. Everybody know what the fuck you goddamn doing.